Whenever we're looking at error correction, there's only one acceptable way to do it. You cannot just scribble a word out. You cannot do a write over. For example, I wrote here, you can see his last name. I spelled it. It was spelled S-H-O-O-G-E-R, and I spelled it S-H-O-G-E-R. The only acceptable correction, draw a line through it, put your initials and the date next to it. And then do the correct spelling of the name on the top. If one of these numbers was wrong, you cannot do a write over. I can't change a 0 to an 8 or a 9 to a 7. That's called a write over. That will not be acceptable. Incorrect corrections will have points taken off. So it's important that if you make a mistake, that is totally fine. Make the correction. It is also not acceptable if you make a mistake to throw away the piece of paper. That is totally not acceptable. These pieces of paper are permanent records. They go in to their files, and if you get checked off, if somebody from, Jaco comes in and checks and you have papers missing or they catch something in the garbage, you're in a lot of trouble. If you do a mistake and you don't date and initial it, you're in a lot of trouble. If you just scribble it out, if you do a write over, you're in a lot of trouble. So this will be the first class where we really start hammering you on making sure that when you make a correction, you make it correctly.